are supposed to solve these issues.
Yeah, what's up?
But instead what
Hey.
they do is,
Actually, I don't feel that bad, you know, it's just that I keep coughing this bloody shit out of my lungs, you know, I don't know. I'm taking this DCA dichloroacetate, and it's kind of, I think it's cleansing my body, and that's why all this stuff is coming out of my everywhere. I'm pissing all kinds of crap out.
But to me, it does sound a lot like California just passed a bill recently offering healthcare, government-paid healthcare, to non-citizens under the age of 26. So who do you think is going to start?
And I'm just coughing this stuff up.
Run businesses?
I don't know. I don't feel that bad, actually. It's just
benefit from these programs.
I have no strength. I can't really walk. My left leg is buckled, and there's a dull pain going down from the knee. And this medicine is really freaking brutal, you know, it's as it runs through my system.
Is California becoming pre-modern?
We'll see where it ends up. It's suggested to take this about 3 months, so that's around Christmas time. Around Christmas time, I'll know if I'm really fucked up or if I'm on my way.